Welcome to Top Gears, where we break down the latest machines that matter to riders around the world. Today, we're diving deep into the Kawasaki Ninja 125 2026, a motorcycle that proves performance and passion don't depend on engine size. Built for new riders, urban commuters, and anyone who wants Ninja style with everyday usability, the 2026 Ninja 125 aims to set a new benchmark in the entry-level sportbike segment. Introduction to the 2026 Ninja 125. The Kawasaki Ninja name carries decades of racing heritage and aggressive sportbike DNA. The 2026 Ninja 125 continues that legacy by blending sharp looks, refined engineering, and accessible performance into a compact package. This bike is designed to offer the Ninja experience to riders who want sportbike thrills without intimidating power or high ownership costs. It sits perfectly between daily commuting and weekend fun, making it a versatile option for a wide range of riders. Evolution of the Ninja 125 line. Since its first appearance, the Ninja 125 has focused on one core idea: delivering the feel of a full-size Ninja in a beginner-friendly format. Over the years, Kawasaki has refined its engine efficiency, chassis balance, and overall ride comfort. The 2026 update builds on this evolution with subtle design improvements, better refinement, and a stronger emphasis on ride quality and reliability, rather than chasing raw numbers alone. Aggressive Ninja design language. One of the strongest selling points of the Ninja 125 2026 is its unmistakable styling. Inspired heavily by the larger Ninja models, it features a sharp front fairing, angular body panels, and a compact tail section that screams sportbike from every angle. The sculpted fuel tank flows smoothly into the rider's seat, creating a cohesive and aerodynamic profile that looks far more expensive than its segment suggests. LED lighting and modern touches. For 2026, the Ninja 125 continues to emphasize modern lighting technology. The LED headlamp delivers a focused beam for better night visibility, while the sleek LED tail lamp adds to the bike's premium feel. Integrated turn indicators and clean panel gaps elevate the overall finish, helping the Ninja 125 stand out among entry-level motorcycles that often cut corners in design details. Color options and visual appeal. Kawasaki understands that style matters, especially for younger riders. The 2026 Ninja 125 is expected to be offered in bold factory graphics, classic Ninja green, and darker stealth-inspired colorways. Each paint scheme enhances the bike's aggressive lines and gives riders the freedom to choose a look that reflects their personality, whether loud and sporty or subtle and mature. Engine overview and performance character. At the heart of the Ninja 125 2026 lies a refined single-cylinder engine designed for smooth power delivery and efficiency. Rather than chasing extreme top speed, Kawasaki focuses on usable performance across the rev range. The engine responds cleanly to throttle inputs, making it forgiving for beginners while still delivering enough punch to keep experienced riders entertained in city and suburban environments. Smooth power for everyday riding. The Ninja 125's engine is tuned to perform best in real-world conditions. Acceleration feels linear, with no sudden surprises, allowing riders to build confidence quickly. Whether navigating traffic, accelerating away from lights, or cruising at steady speeds, the bike maintains a balanced character that prioritizes control and rideability over outright aggression. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Efficiency is a major advantage in the 125cc segment, and the 2026 Ninja 125 continues to deliver impressive fuel economy. This makes it an ideal option for daily commuting, especially in congested urban areas where fuel costs and frequent stops can become frustrating on larger bikes. Combined with a modest fuel tank, riders can expect fewer trips to the fuel station and more time enjoying the ride. Refined transmission and clutch feel. The gearbox on the Ninja 125 2026 is designed for smooth and precise shifts. Gear changes feel light and predictable, reducing fatigue during long rides or heavy traffic. The clutch action is equally forgiving, making it easier for new riders to master takeoffs and low-speed maneuvers without stalling or jerky responses. Chassis and frame construction. Kawasaki's engineering expertise shines through in the Ninja 125's chassis. A lightweight steel frame provides the ideal balance between rigidity and flexibility, contributing to stable handling and predictable cornering. The bike feels planted at speed yet agile enough to dart through narrow streets or tight bends with confidence. Handling that builds confidence. One of the most impressive aspects of the Ninja 125 2026 is its handling. The bike feels neutral and balanced, making it easy to lean into corners without fighting the handlebars. This confidence-inspiring nature encourages riders to improve their skills, gradually pushing their limits in a controlled and safe manner. Suspension setup and ride comfort. The suspension setup on the Ninja 125 is tuned for everyday comfort rather than track-focused stiffness. Front forks absorb bumps and uneven road surfaces effectively, while the rear suspension maintains stability during acceleration and braking. This makes the bike comfortable for daily use, even on imperfect roads, without compromising sporty feedback. Braking performance and safety. Braking is handled by a capable disc setup that offers consistent stopping power. The 2026 Ninja 125 emphasizes control and predictability, allowing riders to brake smoothly without sudden lockups. This balanced braking performance is especially important for newer riders who are still developing proper braking techniques. ABS and rider assurance. Safety remains a key focus for Kawasaki, and the Ninja 125-2026 includes ABS as standard. This system adds an extra layer of confidence, particularly during emergency stops or wet road conditions. ABS ensures that riders can focus more on enjoying their ride and less on worrying about losing traction during hard braking. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Unlike aggressive supersport machines, the Ninja 125 offers a relaxed yet sporty riding posture. The handlebars, foot pegs, and seat are positioned to reduce strain on the wrists and back, making longer rides more comfortable. This ergonomic balance allows the bike to function equally well as a daily commuter and a weekend fun machine. Seat design and passenger comfort. The seat on the Ninja 125 2026 is well padded and contoured for rider support. While the rear seat is compact, it remains usable for short rides with a passenger. Kawasaki has ensured that both rider and passenger can enjoy reasonable comfort without compromising the bike's slim and sporty profile. Digital instrument console. The Ninja 125 features a modern digital instrument cluster that displays essential riding information clearly. Speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip data are easy to read at a glance, reducing distractions while riding. The minimalist layout aligns perfectly with the bike's clean and contemporary design philosophy. Build quality and finish. Kawasaki is known for solid build quality, and the Ninja 125-2026 lives up to that reputation. Panel fitment, paint quality, and overall materials feel premium for the segment. This attention to detail not only enhances the ownership experience but also contributes to better long-term durability. Maintenance and ownership costs. One of the biggest advantages of the Ninja 125 is its low cost of ownership. Routine maintenance is straightforward, spare parts are generally affordable, and the engine's simplicity contributes to long-term reliability. This makes it an excellent choice for riders who want a hassle-free ownership experience without sacrificing style or brand prestige. Ideal bike for new riders. For beginners, the Ninja 125-2026 offers the perfect balance between excitement and control. The manageable power output, forgiving handling, and strong safety features make it an ideal first sport bike. It allows new riders to develop essential skills and confidence before moving on to larger displacement machines. Appeal for experienced riders too. While it's beginner-friendly, the Ninja 125 isn't limited to newcomers. Experienced riders looking for a lightweight daily ride or a fuel-efficient secondary bike will appreciate its agility and ease of use. It delivers just enough performance to stay engaging without the stress of managing excessive power. Urban commuting made fun. In city environments, the Ninja 125 truly shines. Its compact size and light weight make filtering through traffic easy, while the responsive engine ensures quick getaways from signals. Parking and maneuvering in tight spaces are effortless, turning daily commutes into enjoyable rides rather than chores. Competition and market position. The entry-level sport bike segment is competitive, but the Ninja 125 stands out with its strong brand identity and balanced performance. Kawasaki's focus on overall ride quality, design, and reliability gives it a clear edge against rivals that may prioritize numbers over everyday usability. Who should buy the Ninja 125-2026? The Ninja 125 2026 is perfect for riders who want a stylish, sporty motorcycle without overwhelming power. It suits students, first-time buyers, daily commuters, and even seasoned riders seeking a practical yet fun machine. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths. Final thoughts on the Kawasaki Ninja 125-2026. The Kawasaki Ninja 125-2026 proves that small displacement motorcycles can deliver big satisfaction. With its aggressive ninja styling, smooth performance, confidence-inspiring handling, and practical ownership costs, it continues to set high standards in the 125cc sportbike category. It's not just an entry-level motorcycle, it's a true ninja, built to excite, inspire, and perform every single day. Stay tuned with Top Gears for more in-depth reviews, latest launches, and honest insights into the machines that drive your passion for riding.